In this video, I will walk you through on how to find ads you have watched on YouTube, okay? And also rewatch them if possible. Let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome and it will be fine if you did the same thing from your end. So I will double click on it for it to open. As your browser opens, visit youtube.com. Once you're on YouTube, if you are not logged in, please log in, okay? Then after that, click on your profile icon, okay? You can see mine here. I'll click on it. Then on clicking on that, select Google account. Once you're taken to this page, which we open on a new tab, click on My Activity. On getting to this page, the next step you need to take is to click on Other Activity. Now, once you're on this other activity, scroll down until you get to this My Ad Center category. All right. Once you're here, click on Go to My Ad Center. And this has opened on a new tab again. So scroll down. Okay. Here you can see the kind of ads, trading ads, okay, ad topics, but that's not what you are interested in. So scroll down until you see this section, your recent ads, all right, which is likely to be the last part of the ad center. All right, so you can see this is the ad I recently watched, especially this followed by this and this. But if you want to see all of them, click on see all. All right, so this will open on a fuller page showing you some of those ads. Before now, if you want to watch the ad again, you can click on it for you to watch it. But this has changed. So YouTube now wants you to get to the website to watch the ad if you want to watch it again. Okay, look at this. You can see this, mygreatlearning.com. So if I want to watch the ad again, I'll copy this link, okay? mygreatlearning.com. Control C to copy it and I will open on a new tab and then Control V to paste it, enter, so that I can see what I want to see and then learn or maybe follow up from there.